Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another episode of Busy Beader. My name is Caitlin, if you don't know me already. And today we are going to be making some mix and match celestial earrings, which I am just so excited about. It's such a fun concept to be able to kind of have things as pairs or wear them like mix and match, kind of like socks. Like I kind of told you all about in my process slash unboxing video a couple of weeks ago, this design idea came off of something that I saw on Pinterest that I really liked. So I kind of took the components of it, that idea, and kind of put a little twist on it to make it my own. And we're going to make those here today. Before we get started though, please be sure to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They're the reason that all of this crafting fun is possible. And be sure to check out my website. Links to both of those are in the description box below. And be sure to like and subscribe. That way you can join me every week. Let's jump in.
Step 1, you're going to gather all of your supplies and your materials. Today, we have quite a few goodies that we need to have with us. The only tools you're going to need are 2 sets of pliers because we're only opening and closing jump rings, but we have lots of shinies. So you're going to need your earring loops that have the attached areas to add beads, 1 in silver and 1 in gold. Then you're going to need blue celestial crystal drops and orange gold honey colored celestial drops. And then you're going to need a little sun pendant and a little moon pendant. Then these are little pieces of kind of sample chains, and we're going to use 1 little link off of both of the silver and the gold today. And then you need 6 jump rings. So with this project today, we're going to be mixing and matching. So I am making these in the intent that I will wear 1 of each color on each ear, because that'll be fun. But typically when you buy like the earring loops, you're gonna have the second one sent to you as well because they send them to you in pairs. So if you want, you can make double of each earring, and then you can kind of wear whatever you want. You know, if you're feeling in a sun mood, you can just wear both of your sun earrings, or the same for the moon earrings, or you can mix and match like I'm doing. So I'm only going to show you how to make 1 of each earring, but the entire process will just repeat for that second earring if you're wanting to do that as well. Step 2. First thing that we're going to do is make 1 of our earrings. So we're going to start with the moon. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your jump rings, and when you are picking out the size of your jump rings, make sure to be very careful that the jump ring gauge isn't too high so that you don't break the crystal as you're sliding it through. So I already kind of pre-tested these. I got my batch of all same size jump rings. So you're going to slip your celestial crystal onto the jump ring, and then you're going to slip it onto the earring and go ahead and close. And you're going to do that process again for all 4 of your celestial crystals. You're just going to leave this center one open because that's where we're going to put the moon. So go ahead and put your crystals here, here, and here, and meet me back here. Okay, now that you have all of your crystals on your earring, doesn't that look so pretty? Nice sparkle to it. Now we have to add our moon. And so to do that, we're going to use one of our little fun chain links because I really want the moon to stand out amongst the crystals. So what you're going to do is take just 1 of these links, and you don't need the rest of your links. So you can just go ahead and set those aside for a future project. Now we're going to take one of our jump rings and open it up. Then you're going to attach your little link here. And then you're going to attach it to your earring and then give it a close. Now we just have to attach the moon. So you're going to open up your other jump ring and attach your moon, and then attach it to that link there and close. And there we have 1 of our celestial earrings. Isn't that so fun? Now, if you want 2 moon earrings, you're just going to repeat this whole process for your second one. Or if you're just going to do the mix and match like me, then we're just going to move on to our gold one. So this gold is going to be very, very similar, almost exactly the same to the silver one that we made for the moon. So you're going to first attach your crystals. So you're going to open up your jump ring and put 1 of your celestial crystals on, and then attach it to the earring and close. And you're going to repeat that process the exact same as we did on this one over here. So you're just going to do the other 3 here, here, and here, leaving that middle one open. Okay, now that we have all of our celestial crystal drops on, we're going to put our little sun on too. So just like the moon, you're going to take one link out of your little chain here, and you're going to use that to attach the sun to the earrings. So you're going to take one of your jump rings, open it up. You're going to attach the sun to the little dangle, then close it. Now we're going to take the other jump ring and attach the link to the earring and give it a close. And then you are all done. And if you're wanting to have 2 of the sun earrings, you're just going to repeat that whole process for the sun. Otherwise, you have a complete set and you can mix and match and decide what you want to wear.
And there you have it, some super fun mix and match celestial earrings. If you want to, you can make 2 pairs of moon earrings if that's, what you're feeling, or you can make 2 pairs of sun earrings, or you can make one of each, or you can make all of them and then you can wear it whichever way you want, and just a way to have a really unique twist on your jewelry. I personally think I'm going to have all of them, but I'm probably going to wear them mixed and matched the most often, just because I think it's so much fun to have a little bit of the moon with you and a little bit of the sun with you. I hope that you had so much fun making this with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. I will see you in the next one.